Don't you hate it when pesky rebels show up and start terrorizing your city? Well, wait no longer with the new Rebel vacuum cleaner. It sucks more than ever. With its new modern design, it's meant to be easier to use than ever. Not to scale. And here is a demonstration of this new Rebel vacuum cleaner. So call now, buy one, get one free. Great deal, don't want to miss out on it. So call 0800 010 010. I repeat, that's 0800 010 010. Memory wiping and therapy is included.